welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am preparing myself for 3 different trips in basically 1 week of time. Like the preparing was about a week of time. So I'm going to Spain for 2 weeks, and then I will be back for a couple of days, then I will go interrailing for 10 days, then I will be back for a week, and then I will go to Canada for a week. At first this video was going to be a preparation video for my Spain holiday, but I ended up also preparing a lot for the interrail in Canada, so yeah. But still, this video will be mostly about Spain, because Spain is the first trip, so I need to do everything for Spain now. And like, the reason why I need to prepare everything for the other trips now is because I will only be back between those trips for about a week. So like, if I want to buy something last minute for Interrail or Canada, that's still possible in that week. But this is more like actually preparing like the big things, so I won't have to do with that in between the trip. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and let's just start preparing myself. So the first step to preparing myself is handling my YouTube stuff. So I have a lot of pre-filming and pre-uploading to do because I'm gone for 2 weeks and the Wi-Fi there is just not good. So I'll probably not be able to upload when I'm there. So I kind of like planned videos until August. So I'm gonna try to upload all of it before I go. I'm gonna have to film 7 videos before I leave. And I need to film a video that I can upload this Sunday. What did I get myself into? No. This week is gonna consist of filming and filming and filming and filming and filming and editing. A lot of editing too. So I thought I'd get in the spirit of this video, so I'm wearing this. So now I'm going to be filming hopefully 2 videos, but I'm not sure. Because this setup, look at this setup. When I put my camera like this, and then I sit here, this is kind of cute, right? I think it's kind of cute. I just want to make sure that I have almost all the filming done this week, because like editing takes up a lot of time, but I could always still put an all-nighter to edit all of it, you know? So I'm gonna just film right now. I'm wearing another outfit because I started to film this other video, but I was like halfway through, and then I was like, I don't like this video, so I stopped filming. My laptop is making such a weird noise here. My laptop doesn't like it when I'm editing, but I just finished 2 videos and I'm gonna edit another one. I just found out that the song I used for the video I edited yesterday is copyrighted. I filmed the video and then I spent so much time editing. I used small parts of this one song that wasn't copyrighted, but it got copyrighted yesterday. So now I kind of need to change everything, but it's already exported and it's just... don't know what to do. Anyway, I'm going to get back to editing now. I'm also babysitting, so I'm earning money and I'm editing. This is great. And I have my passport with me. If you want to know why, keep on watching the video. Bye! So it's a 16-hour drive, I believe, or 15. I think 16. So we need music. I recently made a new Spotify account. I was always using my mom's and my brother was too, so we kept kicking each other off and it was just annoying. So I finally have my own Spotify account. So I will link it down below so you can follow my Spotify if you want. I also got a lot of questions from people asking if they could follow me on Spotify, but I was always like, no, because it's my mom's Spotify. But now you can. I'm not going to make a specific playlist for the car ride, but on my phone I downloaded the albums from Shawn Mendes, Dan and Shay, and Lewis Capaldi, which is what I listened to most recently. And then I have this current playlist, which has a few songs that I listen to a lot. And then I have this summer 2019 playlist. Whoa, my screen is so dirty. Oh my god, I'm gonna clean that. Anyway, this has a lot of songs that remind me of summer, so yeah. So I'm not making a specific playlist, but to prepare myself, I do need music, so I'm gonna add songs to my summer playlist and my current playlist. And I'm gonna download like random playlists from people that I like. Hi guys, so I just received the Interrail pass and I'm so excited. Oh my god. Ooh, it came from Ireland. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god. Okay, what's this? This is an overview. This is an Interrail map. And then this is an Interrail pass guide. And then this is my Interrail pass. I'm so excited for this summer. I just got home from the city and I got my passport for Canada, and oh my god. So now I have passport. Now I can apply for my visa. I'm probably gonna apply for my visa tomorrow So yeah, I have my passport now, and I had to pick up my driver's license because I passed my driving test last week, so now I have my driver's license. Okay guys, I just applied for my Canadian visa. I just got an email back that says your application for an electronic travel authorization has been approved. You are now I can't pronounce that word. You are now authorized to travel to Canada by air. So now I have my flights, my accommodation, and my visa. So basically I have everything. I'm so excited, oh my god. Hi guys, so step 5 of preparing myself for this trip is to make a pack list. I always do this in case I forget stuff, and I just think it's really useful to have a pack list. So I'd really recommend doing this for basically every trip you go on. So I was cleaning my room yesterday and I found this pack list from Copenhagen and this pack list from Dublin and London. So I'm just gonna see on here everything that I need for this pack list, but obviously I need some different things because instead of a jacket I need a bikini, you know, just the stuff like that. I'm gonna have different sections like I did with the Dublin and London one. Like I have important stuff, and then I have suitcase, and then I have electronics. But because it's a family vacation, I don't really have that many important things to bring. Because like my parents have those things. Okay, so my mom always has this big pack list, so I just finished mine, and then tonight or tomorrow I'm gonna ask my mom for her pack list so I can add the things that I forgot. I think I have most of the important things. I wrote most things in Dutch. Some things are in English, but some things are in Dutch. So the important stuff is mostly money, my phone, and ID card and stuff. And then for my suitcase I have like clothing and just all those things. And then for electronics I have laptop, camera, SD cards, batteries. We are driving to France and then staying there for a night in a hotel, and then we drive to Spain from there the next day. And then for my bag that I'm gonna bring in the car, I have the stuff that I need for that hotel: a book to read, sunglasses, my normal glasses, something to do in the car, which will probably be listening to music, but yeah, and then a notebook with a pen so I can write video ideas or something. I always get video ideas in the most random places, so I would like to write all of it down. This is what I always do before I go, so I have at least the most important stuff, hopefully. I would really recommend, if you're on a trip, to make a pack list. Okay, hi guys. Today is Friday, July 12th. I went to the city to buy some stuff. So I got this clear iPhone case because I just like that. Then I got some shampoo and conditioner. It was 3 for like 8 euros, so I got 3. I got new makeup remover, deodorant. It was also 2 for a specific price, so I got that. Then I got 2 new mascaras. This is the one I always use, and then this is that one in waterproof. I never use waterproof, but I want to try it, so I got those. And then I got this Victoria's Secret body mist. The packaging is different now, but this is the one I always have. Yeah, it's the Love Spell one. This one is so sweet, but it's honestly so good. And then I saw that the Shawn Mendes signature was on sale, so I got the smallest one, which is the 30 milliliters, for 15 euros. Like, that is so cheap. So I got the smallest one to take with me to Canada, I think, because this is just so useful to take with you, and it's like my favorite perfume. So yeah. And then I also went to H&M and I got these 2 shorts, which were just very comfortable for traveling, and pajamas and just everything like that. So those 2. And then I got this dress, which is super cute. I'm not gonna do try on footage of this, but if you want to see me wearing it, follow me on Instagram, because I'll probably post pictures in this. And these pants, and I'm so happy with those. They're honestly so pretty. Like, they just fit me so well. It's like pink, and it's just, these are, oh my god, I'm so happy with these. I also got a new SD card. And then lastly, I don't know which store it was. I think it was called Fila. I've been looking for a top like this for literally so long, and I just couldn't find a good one. This one's just really cute. It was kind of pricey, but I've been looking for this for so long. So I got this top in white, and I also got it in black. So yeah. Alright, so I just got 3 more nail polishes. I don't really wear nail polish, but I really like it, so I want to start wearing it more, so I thought why not get some. But first I got this blank one, which is like a top coat to put on the nail polish. Then I got this one, which is a dark red color, and it's called Caught on the Red Carpet, and it's from Catrice. I don't really know if that's a Dutch brand. I think it is. Wait, is it? I don't know, but it's from Catrice, and yeah, it's just a dark red color. And I got this, which is also from Catrice, which is the More Than Nude nail polish in the color Pearly Ballerina, and it looks like this, and I thought that'd be really cute. And I think that's all I had left to buy for Spain, so I don't think I need to buy anything anymore, hopefully. Hi, okay, so I just got this package, and I think it's the dress I ordered. I hope so. So we're gonna open this. I don't know if this is how you pronounce it, but I think it's Lipsona, and that's where this dress is from. This doesn't look like a dress, honestly. I'm a little bit confused because on the website it said like the sizes with like the centimeters, and there it said that size small would be like this long and this blah blah, but it literally isn't right because this is like way too small to be dress. It looks like this, and like this is not a dress. Like it's literally not a dress. It's not ugly. It's like, it's honestly also kind of cute as a t-shirt, but I ordered it to be a dress, so I'm kind of conflicted on what to do, because I mean it honestly is cute as a t-shirt, but I wanted it to be a dress, so I don't know if I should return it and get like a bigger size for it to be a dress, or if I should keep it as a t-shirt. Hi guys, so I just got 3 more things for my trip. So first I got this phone case. It's just these black little hearts, and I just think it's cute. And then I got this penny pack, which is like really small, which you can like put under your clothes for like important stuff, so you don't lose the important stuff. I actually got this for Canada, so yeah. And then I got this little thing which has like these things, and here it has another compartment, and I just think this is really useful for like my camera chargers and like electronic chargers. So yeah, that's what I got. Let's get back to the video now. Hi guys, so it's currently 5 p.m. on Wednesday, and I leave tomorrow morning at like 7 a.m. So now I'm going to do the last steps to preparing myself. So basically, if we look at the first step of this video was to pre-film, pre-edit, and pre-upload. Well, I did pre-film quite a lot, and I did edit also a lot. I haven't been able to finish all that I wanted to do because everything just didn't work out exactly how I wanted it to, so fun. I'm currently exporting the video that I was supposed to upload like an hour ago, but it's currently exporting. I hope it's up in like half an hour. I just made the thumbnail. Basically what I'm gonna do now is clean my room, because my room is an absolute mess, and then I'm gonna look at all my SD cards, because I have like a lot of SD cards, but like they're all almost full, so I kind of need to delete some stuff. So I have storage to film, then I need to charge everything like my power bank and my phone and my camera, and then technically I need to go to sleep, but I still have a ton of editing to do, and I will be in a car for 10 hours tomorrow, so I might just put an all-nighter and edit all night, but we'll see. At first I was like, I'm gonna film me cleaning my room, but honestly, no, I don't think it's that satisfying. Okay, so I just cleaned my room. This needs to go in my bag tomorrow morning, and then this is some stuff that I need to sort out. That is trash. This is the bag I'm bringing. This is my pack list, which I need to check. Oh, this also needs to come, so that also needs to go in my suitcase. And then this is some stuff that I got for Canada, and then this is a suitcase with some clothing that I have ready for the interrail. So I guess I'm totally ready to go to Spain now and go on interrail and go to Canada. Mentally I'm not ready to go to Canada yet, but yeah. Now when I get back from Spain and when I get back from the interrail, the only thing I have to do for the other holiday is basically pack and buy some like last minute stuff. But I basically have all my stuff together now, so that is great. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. I don't know if it's fun or not, but I just thought I'd try it. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.